Hello friends, good morning. Would you like to become a British citizen? Here are some tips, policies and procedures to get British citizenship. Kindly watch and follow the video. There are several procedures and processes to get British citizenship. The first method to get the citizenship is citizenship by birth. If you are born in the UK to at least one British or settled parent at the time of birth, you are automatically a British citizen. The second step to get the British citizenship is citizenship by descent. If you are born outside the UK to a British parent, you might be a British citizen by descent, but this usually only applies to the first generation born abroad. Third step to get the British citizenship is citizenship by naturalization. This is the most common method for all adults who immigrated to the UK. To apply for British citizenship through naturalization, you must meet all the following requirements. Immigration status. Your immigration status must comply with any one of the following conditions. Your immigration status should be in indefinite leave to remain or ILR, settled status under the European Union Settlement Scheme, indefinite leave to enter or ILE. In order to acquire the British citizenship by naturalization, you have to fulfill the conditions of residential status. Means it is a mandatory thing to identify how long you were lived in the UK before applying for the British citizenship through naturalization. Here are the conditions. For the residential requirement, you must have to lived in the UK for at least 5 years before applying, or 3 years if you are married to or in a civil partnership with a British citizen. During this time, you must not have been outside the UK for more than 450 days in the last 5 years or 270 days in the last 3 years if applying to a spouse. The last condition is you must not have spent more than 90 days outside the UK in the last 12 months. Another condition to acquire the British citizenship by naturalization is you must pass the Life in the UK test, which is a 24-question exam covering British history, culture, laws and values. Next step is clearing of English language proficiency test. Here are the conditions. You must prove that you can speak English to the required standard B1 CEFR level or above. Accepted proofs are a UK degree or one taught in English, a B1 level speaking and listening test from an approved provider. Nationals of English speaking countries are usually exempted from this. The last requirement is good character certificate. You must have no serious criminal record, immigration violations or recent bankruptcies. The Home Office will check your criminal history, tax records and immigration complaints. Next method to acquire the citizenship is citizenship by registration. This is applicable for the children who are born in UK to non-British parents who later became settled. But later, if the parents get settled status or indefinite leave to remain, the child can register as a British citizen. If the parents have recently become British citizens, their children under 18 can also be registered, even if they were not born in the UK. Next method to get the British citizenship is citizenship through adoption. If a child is legally adopted in the UK by a British citizen, they usually become British citizen automatically if the adoption was done under UK law. Kindly subscribe, like, share and comment on this video, and thank you for watching.